Hello everybody and welcome back to LMM, and for those of you who are enjoying the channel, then there are the links to our social media coming up on the screen now, including things like our Discord where you can chat to me and the other members of the team and other like-minded people about things we all enjoy: cars, trains, planes, all kinds of wonderful gubbins. Now by now most of you will have probably seen the latest series of LMMons where we reveal my car, which is a Reliant Relato. And some of you may be thinking, well, where did that come from? So, currently it's on the back of a trailer.
And no, your eyes are not deceiving you. That is indeed Atlas. We went and picked up the Reliant on the same trip as we got the electric tug. Yes, it really has been that long since I got the Reliant.
And being me, of course, I couldn't buy a car which was fully functional. No, this required work.
And so welcome to a brand new series where we take a look at a project from start to finish. Welcome to What's Broken Now Spotlight.
And because I wanted to keep it a secret from the rest of the team, that means I had to offload it at home.
Of course, for doing this, I was completely on my own.
So, issues I have with the car currently. Number one. For reasons I don't understand, the door doesn't actually want to open. Now, this did open before. Well, that's locked. That must be unlocked. Oh, there we go. Sweet. We got in. Now, it won't start because the battery's knackered. So it's a sit in, handbrake off job, and knock the car out of gear and give it a little push. Just a little push, come on. Up we go. Oh. Okay. Here we go. I appear to be stuck in the car. Out of the car. Across the car. Like so. Oh. Make sure it's all lined up. Looks okay, to be fair. Locked. Unlocked. There we go. Don't understand that at all. looks okay. Here we go. And still can't get out the epoxy cup. Why does this door not work? And predictably, of course, it will not start under its own power. But hopefully, by using the Stricken 307 over here and giving it a bit of the jumpy power, I'm hoping, he says, that it's going to now fire up into life. He says, optimistically. And this will really show whether or not I bought a complete lemon or something that's, you know, salvageable. Ooh. Ah, this epoxy door is going to be the end of me. More choke. More choke. Apparently I need this battery on it. It soon became apparent that I was not going to be able to do this on my own, so I enlisted the help of Trev. The first part in restoring this into life involved... What are you doing?
Looking sad because I'm in the wind and it's cold.
Oh, battery's knackered, so the battery wouldn't take a charge, battery does nothing, so we've come to the wonderful place.
Euro car parts.
Yeah, because that's where we can get batteries.
Batteries. Specifically old batteries.
Yeah, we went to Halfords and they don't do it.
They don't have them.
So we're now waiting for this, and then hopefully be able to put battery on it, and hopefully it will fire up and run on its own for more than 30 seconds. Yippee!
Do you want to know what I'm doing?
I do.
I'm putting a battery on. I've never seen a battery terminal like this, and this isn't even where Lawrie could not believe that you could get side mount battery terminals. This is just strange.
It is. My favourite bit is this bit, which doesn't really even knack. That goes over there to the thing. Pretty sure that.
Well, you can see where that goes.
Yeah, to the starting thing and to the solenoid. Pretty sure that goes onto there.
Are you stuck?
No.
He's...
I don't. It's not saying it's got any fuel.
Is it out of fuel?
The needle's not moving.
So we've just been on a venture to buy fuel because it doesn't seem to have any fuel in it, despite doing nothing since it's arrived. Which means it's either been siphoned, it's got a leak on it, or
Magical petrol gnomes have come along and drank it all. I think it's more likely that that is the case.
the petrol gnomes.
Yes.
Do the petrol gnomes drink the petrol to survive? Or
Yes.
Okay, fine. I mean, if it's sustained the petrol gnomes, then that's okay. Ooh,
I can't believe you're trying to bring a bus down it. Yeah.
Oh, this is tight. Oh, yeah, very tight. Cool. Well, that's fine then. So anyway, we've only got petrol, which meant I had to buy a new jerry can. Despite the fact we've got like 6 in the shed, I don't have any here. So, jerry cans. So now we've got 7. Go, 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 go. Stop them.
Having added some fresh fuel to the tank, it was time to try the mighty Reliant once again.
It's alright, you can edit that and that looks like you've just got out of it in one go.
Oh yeah.
Because I was too busy laughing.
Will that now fire itself back up?
It will do if you don't have it in gear. Yeah, it's much happier. We fixed it. Let's go home. Lawrie, let's just not touch it anymore. It drives.
It still thinks it's got no fuel. Like the gate hasn't moved, so...
But it runs. It sounds very farty, but it runs.
It's a little old engine. Like, that's what they do. Put the car in. There you go.
Oh yeah, that sounds better.
Now, following the rules of LMMons, this is, as you have seen, a running and driving car.
Who almost died on? Just, yeah. Oh god. Lawrie, you've broken it.
Now, this little beauty has some issues. Mostly that it doesn't want to stop on its own on using the foot pedal. There's no heaters, and oh, let's find out what of the electronics actually work. Right, do I have intake?
We'll have to subtitle this part because
Nothing works. What hazard? Do you have anything?
no.
Right, I'm going to try every single button in here. I've turned everything on in here. Absolutely everything is on. Headlights flash, anything?
No, nothing. Oh, hold on.
What?
Well, you did have something. Yeah, that's done it.
What's that?
That's flash. No, you have to be inside. You can watch it back on the replay.
Listen. The horns try.
I think that's more. That
That's
works.
flash, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, I can see the reflection. I can't turn the lights on though.
No. Should we go and get a tape? We've got a tape in the drag.
I mean, I can press FM and
What about the knobs?
I've tried twizzling the knob, that's at full volume. Oh, I'm sure it's got a fuel economy gauge. It's
You're
bad.
doing poor.
It's bad.
Okay.
Right, so what we've established is the fuel gauge doesn't work, the temperature
Yes.
gauge has got warm.
Yes.
Do you want to drive?
Do I want to drive it?
Get in the back. Get in the back.
How do I get? Oh my god. Oh, Mum, if you see this and I am in hospital, I'm sorry. It's Laurie's fault. I'm gonna die. This is definitely. This is more sketch than riding on the back of the tractor. Love you, Mum. It's all Laurie's fault.
Well, he still doesn't want to move on its own.
Am I too heavy?
I put the brakes on and the brakes won't come off.
They're off now. Whoa. Ow.
Are you scared?
Yep. Namely because we've got nothing to stop us but our own momentum.
I'm going off-road.
Oh, oh, no.
It's great, we're now counterbalanced perfectly. You're that side, counterbalanced me on this side. It's a happy little car, and I'm a happy little loner.
Please, stop. We only have 3 wheels. Oh, does this work?
That is the single worst feeling switch.
It's killed itself.
Yeah, well, it's still warm. It's now got warm, but the choke's obviously not warm enough.
Okay, should we take the dash out now?
Yep.
I'm disassembling Lawrie's car. As soon as he gets it working, the best thing to do is then take it apart, because that stops him from braking anything further. I'm only kidding. So the reason why the brakes don't work is the brake
Master cylinder,
I guess, that's here. The seal's completely broken, so it wouldn't even hold any fluid, even if we got it hooked up.
But
it looks pretty simple.
I think everything on this car is simple.
Yeah, this is absolutely filthy. This is the washer bottle, and all it does is it just slides in. It's actually a really quite neat idea. This should...
I'm scared about this.
I'm just going to take that off. Take this off as well. Come on. Right. And then that's just a rubber seal usually, but if I open it up,
Oh,
pretty manky.
oh, that's
there.
crusty. I guess we can get some water and just flush that out.
Yeah, just run like even some bleach in there. A little bit of bleach, a little bit of something else.
Good shout, good shout.
Hot water, boiling hot water could do that. Anyway, that's enough of a thing for you to clean up.
Why?
You enjoying it?
No. So small. This car is built for Smurfs. You're a Smurf. You're Papa Smurf when you drive this. Papa
That's going-
Smurf Lawrie.
That's gone lemons. That's going to be my radio call sign. Papa
Papa
Smurf.
Smurf.
Oh, Lawrie, you know how you were asking if where the speakers were? No, it's wireless technology.
I don't even know where you put speakers.
I don't know. Well, that was a ground. Or was it? Left, right. Where does it get power from?
Probably some of this app. Something with all of that in there. So that's become.
It's a quick release dash. You know how people get like quick release steering wheel? It's a quick release dash. You need some extra horsepower, you just pull it off and throw it out the window.
Right, so we've got that left, and what we've got here?
Well, we've been taking things off and then putting them back on, so we
so
don't
we know what it
end
is.
up in a mess.
What?
Lawrie, you might want to tell your insurers that it no longer has a security system.
What is that?
It was clearly just a blinky LED. It's the internet.
Oh mate, that's brilliant.
It's even got a breakout cable on it. Might keep that for a laugh.
Right.
Right.
Let's get the next bit out. I feel a bit sad about breaking the heritage, but
Yeah, but it was broken anyway.
oh, it's broken in multiple places.
After a little bit more work unplugging and replugging things, the remaining piece of the dash basically just fell out, leaving me with this, which looked, well, it's quite Spartan. But I did have this, a running, semi-working project, with quite a lot of it wrong. So tune in next time to see how me and Trev get on getting the little car ready for lemons. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time. Tra.